Hello, in this part we will show you how the global administrator has set up IKAN ALM for the DevOps for ZOS Mainframes solution. If you missed the first part, the link is in the description below. Let's start with verifying what is already set up in the IKAN ALM global administration after a clean installation. We will describe it shortly. If, however, you want to know more about the specific topic, have a look at the respective chapters in the global administration part of the IKAN ALM user guide. Let's open IKAN ALM and log in with the following credentials: username global and password global. We click the global administration icon in the menu. In the overview panel we click System Settings. Here we will see the build archive location on the IKAN ALM server, where all the build artifacts, such as the load modules and the deployable archives, will be stored after a successful build, so they can be deployed later in the lifecycle. It is a local path on the server. For the IKAN ALM core phases, the work copy, script and phase catalog locations are defined. Under Machines Overview in the submenu, we will find a definition of the IKAN ALM machine. If we click the Edit icon, you will see the details of the machine and the connected environments. There is also an agent installed on this machine, and both agent and server processes are running as a service. The agents handle the build and deploy actions, bundled as phases, on a specific build, test or production environment. If we go back and click the Installed Phases icon, we can see the current server activity and the current agent activity, which should both be active. Under Scripting Tools Overview in the submenu, we can see that the End 1.10.10 scripting tool is defined. This tool is used by IKAN ALM to execute build and deploy scripts. Let's click the Edit icon for more details. The Git repository is another key component in our demo project setup. IKAN ALM uses this repository to monitor and retrieve the sample code files. Under Version Control Repositories Overview, we can click the Edit icon on the Demo ZOS entry for more details. For more information, use the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.